Today is going to be a topic that covers success and failure. So I was told something by a really good friend of mine some years ago, and he said to me, the people that really struggle when they fail are those that haven't failed very often. Because when you taste the feeling of failure, then you understand what it means. So success is all about getting things right, winning, being on top of your game. But where you learn the lessons is when you make mistakes and you fail. So I'm of the belief that you should embrace it when you fail. You should embrace the fact that this is an opportunity to learn something. And from learning that, there's a takeaway from it. And what's the takeaway is don't make the same mistake again. So success is actually built on failures, because once you've failed, you've felt what it's like. You actually feel that it's just not a good feeling. But if you take out of that what you can learn and what opportunity comes from it, that turns to success. And I've spoken to many people that have succeeded in life, and there's a vast majority of people that have tasted bitter failures that have gone on to huge success. So I say, and I like to carry this in my life as well as my business, is nothing wrong with failing. Rather embrace it, learn from it, take the opportunity and turn it around into success. Have a wonderful day.